Wednesday, May 13th was meat day, so after breakfast I decided to detail the focus with my bucket and hose system. The tap outside doesn't give warm water, and since it was a cooler morning, I filled the bucket with the dog's water pitcher. Once the focus was detailed, it was time to drive to St. Albert.
Alright, let's go off to another car meet. Yeah.
Brennan, in his SE, arrived shortly after I did to the meet point. His special project the past few days was installing an exhaust from an ST and a muffler delete. He plasti-dipped his grill whiskers, fogs, and rims. Brennan left to find Aaron, who is everywhere but the meeting point. But when Aaron arrives, he arrives in style.
I went up St. Albert Trail, and I was like, alright, where the heck is this place?
And I was like, oh, whatever, and then I went down and down all these roads, and I couldn't find it.
Oh, you didn't put that sticker on.
Some guy was like, hey, that's a turbo, eh? And I was like, yeah, he's like, here, gave me a sticker. And I was like, alright.
With the bashing of Aaron's suggestive new sticker out of the way, we lined up the cars for photos.
I have the motor off!
As the sun began to set on another glorious Alberta day, the shutters started snapping. Brennan had hockey that night, so after a bit we decided to hit the road and head home. Aaron being Aaron,
you're so pimping,
almost hit the ditch. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Be sure to like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. New vlogs weekly on Tuesdays.